Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. We'll start in a minute. Please do register. This is the registrar. Welcome. Thank you. Let me paste it here as well. This is the registrar. Please do register. Okay, let's get started. Let me share. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to our last lecture set for this semester. Great to see you all. Thank you for being here on time. I'll start with sharing my asset creation journey with you again this semester. I uploaded this book for you because I know that some of you couldn't have a chance to buy this book. So I uploaded it for you for free. If you go to today's lectures, you will find this book, Squash book. You can download it there, okay? So you can go to today's lecture and you can download this book. I'll show you the book, but it is also active on Gumroad as well. The second book, remember I am writing another book. I started this last year and it's now almost finished. I finished writing it. Today, I will share the first copy of this book with you. It's like the first draft of the book, okay? So I'll show you the first draft. Nobody knows this book. You will be the first to witness this book. I'll share you the content. I also uploaded it, again, for free in today's lecture. If you download it, you will see all the PDF. It is about 150 pages. It's a monumental book. 99 different creativity journeys inside. So my goal is to start selling this ebook from Gumroad sometime in June. So we are almost done. We are still designing the book and its cover, but I will show you as it is, okay? So this was my second book, and you can read these adventures on Medium. If you go to these links, you will find the first 33 adventures here. The second 33 adventures are here, and the third 33 adventures are here. As you see, I published all these in May or April, very recently, yeah? And I also published this, 99 pieces of advice, life-changing lessons for creativity. Again, have a look at this, because it summarizes, really summarizes what we covered in this module. You know, what we covered in these lectures. So it's a perfect summary. What do you take from this module? What should you remember? All the messages are in this advice, okay? The third book that emerged this semester from this module again is the Cube. Remember this? We covered this in our seminars. I introduced it very recently because I invented it very recently, right? So this will be another book. Hopefully I will write this book this summer or upcoming fall and maybe publish it during fall semester sometime, maybe during September or so, October. So, and the book will include all these 6 sets of exercises, but I will also sell it as a poster, market it as a stationery product along with the book. So remember the Medium article on this. The Medium article is here. You can have a read to remember this. And remember the journeys. These are the journeys. The ocean represents your strength. The river represents what excites you. The jungle represents your contributions in the outer world. The cottage represents your search for the soul, your inner self. The garden is the intersection of these four walls of the cube, right? It is called the garden. This is your asset creation playground. So you establish your game of asset creation in this garden. And the last one is the mountain, which represents your future potential after 10 years. What will you be creating, or what will you be achieving in the next 10 years? It represents your own Everest, your own potential. So you put all these into a set of exercises. What I'm doing in my notebook is I started creating these pages myself. I'm doing the exercises in detail myself in my notebook. You see the ocean page. I started creating my ocean page, etc. And first, I will do these exercises in more detail and turn them into another Medium article. You can follow it up, okay? And then these will be turned into more detailed exercises, okay? So this is my journey of asset creation. As you can see, 3 different books: Squash Book, 99 Adventures, as well as the Cube, all emerged from this module and all emerged from this semester. So I also want you to create your own assets using your imagination and your hard work. It's with a bit of hard work and imagination, you can also create your own stories, your own content, your own assets,